integration. So see students, it is what? E raised to minus modulus u. It is even function, but sine lambda u, it is odd because sine is odd function. So even into odd will be odd, and if integrand is odd, then by this property answer of the integration will be what? 0. So for this integration we will be getting what? 0. तो एक integration हमारा vanish हो गया. Now we have to solve this integration only. Now how to solve this integration? Again, because for that we have a specific formula students. Because if you see the integrand, it is product of what? E raised to minus modulus u and cos lambda u. तो अगर आप uv रूल लगाने जाते हैं तो कोई भी फंक्शन कहीं पर भी जाके वेनिश नहीं होगा, ख़त्म नहीं होगा. तो आपको कोई भी ऐसा स्टेप नहीं मिलेगा जहाँ पे कांस्टेंट आंसर आपको मिले. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव अ स्पेसिफिक रूल दैट you have already learned in 11th or 12th, whenever you have learned that integration. That rule is what? Since integration e to the power ax cos bx dx, students. So this rule I am going to apply for the solution of this integration. So e raised to ax cos bx dx, it is e raised to ax upon a square plus b square a cos bx plus b sin bx. Similarly, we have also this rule for e raised to ax sin bx dx. Once I will apply it, I will give you this rule also. So here I am going to solve this integration using this rule, student. In this rule, what is our a here? So a is what? A is minus 1, students. Remember one thing, e to the power ax, we have e to the power minus 1 u. u इज़ अवर वेरिएबल ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन ना. सो x की जगह पर हमारा u काम कर रहा है. तो a की वैल्यू कितनी हुई? -1, और b की वैल्यू क्या हुई? लैम्डा बी एक्स कॉस बी एक्स. तो x की जगह हमारा u है वेरिएबल ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन. सो व्हाट विल बी b? b विल बी आवर लैम्डा. नाउ सब्सटीट्यूट योर integration solution. It is e2 into e to the power minus modulus u upon -1 square plus lambda square bracket on a cos bx, students. So a is what? -1, so minus cos lambda u plus b sin, so plus b is what? Lambda sin bx मतलब lambda u, and our limit of integration is what? 0 to infinity. So students, I hope the integration solution will be clear to you. Now the thing that which is left is limit of integration. We have to put limit of integration. So now 2 is, I am writing over here, and I am putting limit of integration. So I am putting upper limit first, students. So upper limit is what? Infinity. So in place of u we have to put infinity. So see very carefully, students, how we put the limit. E to the power minus infinity. So in place of u, e to the power minus infinity is what? 0. If it is 0, so e to the power minus infinity is 0. 0 से पूरा multiplication होके upper limit पे मेरा answer will be what? 0. And for lower limit I am substituting lower limit 0 in place of u. So e to the power 0, students, it is not 0. Remember one thing, e to the power 0 will be what? 1 upon 1 plus lambda square bracket on, जहाँ जहाँ भी u है we have to put 0 in place of that u. So minus cos 0, students. So minus cos 0 and plus lambda sin 0. So this is substitution of lower limit, students. So now after solution we will be getting 2. So this is 0 and minus 1 upon 1 plus lambda square, and here cos 0 is what? 1, and sin 0 is 0. So minus 1 from here we will be getting minus minus plus. So 2 into 1 upon 1 plus lambda square. So the solution will be, students, 2 upon 1 plus lambda square. So what we were finding? We were finding f lambda, students. So f lambda's answer is what? 2 upon 1 plus lambda square. I told you, students, your answer will be a function of lambda. आप ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ही निकाल रहे हैं. So transformation will be function of lambda here, since we have considered lambda as our parameter in frequency domain. So I hope the solution will be clear to you. So we have taken one numerical So in this numerical function fx was given to us. For that we have to find what? F lambda. So I have find by first method, in which I have solved it by the basic definition.